today we're going to look at how we're going to put words into shape like we did last week, but we're going to focus it a little bit more and create a multi-part. So here's one shape, there's second shape, and there's the third shape. How to create a multi-part that actually has words into it, which is going to prepare us for our next assignment. So the first thing you're going to do is take your pen tool and go ahead and start drawing the object. And in this case, I'm going to create a letter. A leaf. In here, don't forget, I don't need this handle. I don't want to curve after it. I can click on my anchor point, get rid of it. I'm going to finish that off. You can see my little circle pops up on the lower right-hand side of my pen tool right on the screen. And I'm going to click there. That one is done. The next one I'm going to do is going to be, let me zoom in a little bit, it's going to be the center part of this leaf. And it's sort of like the stem. I'm going to click and leave a little bit of space. Click down here. I'm going to click out here, but I'm going to also curve it that way just for a little bit of interest. Again, I don't need this section to be a curve, so I'm going to click on my anchor point. And I'm going to go ahead and click up here. And then one more time right above it, you can see that little circle pops up, and that pathway is finished. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is I can actually copy this one for an exact copy over here. Or if you have something that changes, you can go ahead and redraw it again. But I'm going to go ahead and Control C and then Control V, or Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste. You can see the keyboard shortcuts. And then I'm going to go ahead and Object, Transform, and I need to reflect this one. This one has to be reflected on the horizontal, which means for a horizontal line, it's going to flip it down. Now I need to decide, do I want to flip it now or do I want to flip it later? That's going to make a big difference when I get to putting my text in. So I'm going to show you a few different ways as we get going. Okay? So with our usual, you're going to go ahead and start typing in your words. Leaf. Okay? I'm actually going to type in all caps only because I like the look of it and the boldness of it and how even it conforms at the top. But you may decide to choose something else. So right here, I'm going to go ahead here. I kind of like that. I'm going to bring this guy up in size a little bit just so that it gets a little bit bigger. You can really see it fills that. All right. Again, as usual, don't forget right-click, create outline. I'm going to go ahead and make sure this guy is above there. I'm going to put no fill. I'm going to change the fill, no outer strokes. Just make sure that you put a color on it so you can notice it. He's in the back. So what I need to do is I need to right-click, arrange, and bring to the front. So now we're ready to go. I'm going to grab all those guys, same as before. I'm going to go to Object, Envelope to Sort, and Make with Top Object. You can see it gets a really nice curve into there. So that guy is ready. Okay? Now, I can come down into this one then. That one right there. Let me make a copy of it so that we have a couple of options. So I'm going to show you both of them. I'm going to reflect that one like we just spoke about on the horizontal. So that one's ready to go, but I'm going to put them off the side. All right, coming back to our words, I can come in here and I can type, nope, we're going to go with something kind of close to it. I'm going to happen to choose something with 4 letters. Again, I'm going to right-click, create outline. I'm going to make sure that that guy has a fill on it so I can see him. Notice he's behind. I'm going to right-click. I'm going to arrange and bring to front. Same thing goes. Let me do this actually. That'll make it easier for showing you the difference. I'm going to copy him. I'm going to paste him. I'm going to get rid of him for now. All right. So let's go back here. We're going to Object, Envelope to Sort, Make with Top Object. You can see that difference. Now, if I go ahead and do Object, Transform, and I reflect it now on the horizontal, that's what I'm going to get there. Okay? Let's get rid of him. That's what I'm going to get there. I'm going to select him. I'm going to rotate it where I want it. Let's take a little bit more. And that's kind of where I'm at with that. You may not like the look of that. You might say, nope. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. I am going to bring them to the front. Let's make sure we got the outlines. Yep, we did. I'm going to go ahead and object, envelope to sort, make with top object. Now you can see this one might not be very legible, might be a difficult read, but this one I might like a lot more. And that's something that's going to be really, really important as you ladies and gents are moving with this, because you want it to be read, okay? Now, this guy right here, it is so important that you know of a few things with him. You just toss him aside there. If this is at any kind of an angle, your letters are going to go along the horizontal path kind of in that angle. So that's going to be an issue. You're going to want to make sure that your object and your letters are in the same direction when you first envelope to sort them, okay? So if I go ahead with my type tool, I'm going to start typing autumn is my favorite. I'm going to Control A to select all. I'm going to go ahead and bring that down quite a bit. Again, select it, right click, create outline. And I'm going to show you the difference just so you can see it. I'm going to get one of these out that way. I'm going to get one of these out that way. Just so you can see the difference. Alright? So here, I'm going to fill it. Again, the color doesn't matter. Just make sure that it's above and it's not. Again, arrange, bring to front. Now let's go ahead and envelope to sort this guy. So he is, or she, whatever, is all done. I can now go ahead and change that angle and exactly where it's located in there, okay? Now this guy though, it's really important that you see the difference if you don't pay attention to angle, and that happens to be my angle. If he's already done, if I grab all that together, oh, right, sorry, let me fill that because I don't think he's in front. Okay, so I grab all that together, and I do the same, envelope to sort, make with top object. You're going to see that it makes it almost illegible. Like there's just no way. I can maybe see an M and an N, but you can see the difference between this one and this one. It all has to do with angle. So please keep that in mind. You know you can't just change the angle later and have it fixed. Okay? So keep that in mind. Make sure your angles of your words match the angle of your pen tool, so you get something that is definitely much more like that, much more legible, much more happy to read. And that's it.